Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. So many people are talking about it because it actually delivers. Smooth performance, solid design, and it's super easy to use. Definitely worth checking out. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone. Hold up, you won't believe how good this one actually is. I wasn't sure at first, but after trying it, I get the hype. It's one of those products that just works. Efficient, clean, and well-reviewed everywhere. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone.
Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. I've seen tons of products online, but this one stands out. It's simple, well-made, and the results speak for themselves. Thousands of positive ratings don't lie. Go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description.
Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely. Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. So many people are talking about it because it actually